Mambo Vipi, we are in Katani Syokimau doing a minimum package for one of our clients who is having a construction going on, and his concern was for his caretaker. This is whereby, KPLC had charged him an arm and a leg to bring the electricity to his site. And for the meantime, as he is still deep in construction, he just thought to get the minimum package for the caretaker so that at least the caretaker would be able to charge his phone and have lighting around the compound, and also just for security purposes for his materials and the plot itself. So the caretaker doesn't have to go out into the shopping center to go and charge his phone. And the client is also able to reach the caretaker, and because his phone is reachable now, since this package does phone charging, it does cover lighting. And if your caretaker has a TV or a radio, he is able to also use that within this package. So for this one, we did 380 watt monocrystalline panels. We did install one 200 Ah gel battery and one 1000 watt inverter. Keep in mind that this system being a minimum package, it is not stackable, the inverter itself, but it is definitely a quick fix when you need some source of power, and again, it's green energy, so you would be able to have a stress-free time, especially if you're really not trying to invest too much at the start of your projects. So just reach out to us in case you have any questions and any other requirements for your projects. We are ready to help.